Hello, everybody. Warm greetings to all. During this COVID 19 lockdown period, it has become mandatory for all children to sit in front of computers, laptops, or mobile phones compulsorily for online classes, whereas it used to be only optional earlier for some video games or recreational activities. I'm going to tell you about the problems caused by these gadgets and also the solution and preventive steps to avoid them. Are you ready? Well, computer vision syndrome is a complex disease caused by sitting before the computer screen for long hours without blinking for purpose of job, online classes, virtual meetings, etc. It consists of symptoms like eye strain, headache, blurred vision, difficulty in changing focus from near to distance and vice versa, glare, contact lens intolerance, with additionally neck and shoulder pains and backache. Evaporative dry eye is a condition where the tear film over the eye surface gets dried up due to increased screen time and lack of blinking. So, what is the solution? The tear film has three layers. The innermost mucus layer, which makes the eye surface slimy and helps the second watery layer to adhere to the eye surface. The watery layer is covered by the third lipid layer, which comes from the oil glands in the eyelids in minute quantities every time we blink, and this oil stabilizes the watery layer over the eye surface. When we do not blink enough, the watery layer cannot stabilize over the eye due to lack of oil, and there is excessive evaporation causing evaporative dry eye. And ironically, there can even be watering due to spillage of the watery layer that cannot stabilize due to lack of oil, or even reflex water due to dry surface of the eye. This condition is called Meibomian gland dysfunction or MGD. So, what is the solution for computer vision syndrome, evaporative dry eye or MGD? There's a very important rule, 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, you take a 20-second break, blink 20 times to lubricate your eyes, and look at 20 feet away so that you relax your focusing muscles that tend to go into spasm due to excessive near work. Blinking at least 20 times a minute is very, very important. That means one blink every 3 seconds is very important. But a study has shown that we hardly blink 5 to 7 times a minute, which is just one third or one fourth the normally needed number of blinks per minute. Also, wearing protective glasses with anti-glare coating and photochromatic tint is important because this helps in reflecting the excess light from the computer screen and prevents radiation hazard and also gives mechanical protection against excessive evaporation. The photochromatic tint filters the blue light which is harmful to the eyes. Next is ergonomics or the positioning for computer users, which is very, very important for you to avoid strain to body parts. Positioning the monitor at 20 to 25 inches from the eyes is very important. 1.5 feet at least is very important. 5 degrees below eye level so that your eyelids partially cover the eyes and avoid excessive surface drying. Please keep monitor, keyboard, mouse and all peripherals within reachable distance so that you don't strain your body parts reaching out to them. Black characters on white screen is the best. Please avoid white on black background. And also the size of the font has to be at least 3 times the smallest size that you can read so that you don't strain your eyes. Please arrange the light of the surroundings to match with the background, and please avoid reflections and glare. The rule of 90 is very important. Your neck and back have to be in one straight line, and your body needs to be at 90 degrees to your thighs, and again the legs need to be at 90 degrees to your thighs. 90, 90, 90, rule of 90. For children whose feet hang, please place a small plank or stool to make their feet rest on and get this position of 90 degrees. Mobile users, please hold your neck straight and your cell phone at 20 inches from your eyes so that you don't strain your neck in order to avoid the text neck syndrome or cervical spondylosis at an early age. Please blink consciously more number of times, at least 20 times a minute, and avoid using mobile 1 hour before going to bed, as this can lead to excessive overnight dry eye symptoms, difficulty in opening eyes in the morning due to excessive drying overnight, and also sleep disturbances. A very balanced and nutritious diet is very important for healthy eyes and disease resistance. Orange and red vegetables and fruits are rich in vitamin A, and more importantly, the omega 3 fatty acid rich food like fish, walnuts, soya milk, chia, and flax seeds would help natural oils flow freely into the eyes and blockage of oil glands are very useful in Meibomian gland dysfunction or oil gland disease. Lid hygiene is very important to prevent oil gland clogging. Brushing teeth and washing face with warm water at bedtime and warm compresses to the lids with extra care will help in preventing blockage of oil glands and infections of eyelids like stye. Lubricating eye drops without preservatives and chemicals may be needed in children and adults who have excessive dry eye symptoms. And also, it is very important to visit your eye doctor if symptoms persist. Please do take care of your eyes to avoid digital eye problems and stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.